Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox can't buy items issues. First, always check your internet connection. A weak signal often prevents transactions from completing. Next, confirm that Roblox servers are not experiencing any widespread outages, as this could temporarily affect purchases. Simply restarting the Roblox app or your browser can resolve many common glitches too. This quick refresh often clears up minor technical hiccups. Now, let's look at your account. Double-check that all your payment details, like card numbers or billing addresses, are entered precisely. Sometimes, parental controls or other account restrictions can prevent transactions, so review those settings carefully. It is also crucial to confirm that your selected payment method has enough funds or credit to cover the purchase. These simple checks can often pinpoint the exact problem. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or the Roblox app's internal cache, can eliminate corrupt data causing purchase errors. This process is like giving your system a fresh start. If issues persist, a full uninstall and reinstall of the Roblox application often resolves deeper software conflicts. Always ensure you have the most current version installed, as updates frequently include important bug fixes. This ensures optimal performance and fewer errors. If you have tried all these solutions without success, it is time to contact Roblox customer support directly. When you reach out, provide as much detail as possible about the problem, including any specific error codes or messages you have received. Clearly list all the troubleshooting steps you have already attempted. Remember, their team often needs a few business days to investigate fully, so patience is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.